have to lean. You have to lean with the rider. You have to lean with the rider. You can't lean against the rider, because that will unbalance the bike. You want to press your legs together. Press your legs. Remember if you start recording again. But yeah, you have to lean. You have to lean with the rider. You have to lean with the rider. You can't lean against the rider, because that will unbalance the bike. Yeah. And when the bike is slowing down, you want to press your legs together. Press your legs. That way it will give you more stability, and you don't have to actually use your hands. Go on, man. You don't have to use your hands like how my hands are folded. A lot of guys will put their hands on the rail like this. But like me now, I don't use my hands to hold on. I use my feet. That's how you do it. I'll go on with them two bikes, you know. So you don't lean before the rider leans, you lean with the rider. You have to do everything with the rider. For the females, it's a lot easier, because the female is like them body already united with the rider. Because for the females, most females are gonna hold the rider around them waist and all of them things there. So yeah, soon comes. Yesterday me see a car go all the way out just up on the right side. Yeah, I prefer stay in that car and slow down. You have two options in regards to patrolling. You slow down and go through, or you slow down and go round. But I speed up and take a different direction and kill off yourself. This is just a quick video. I'm going to actually make a more detailed. No you. Yeah. Yeah, so this is just a quick video. I'm gonna make a more detailed video explaining everything a bit more, and you know, having B-roll and all of that stuff in it. But this is just a quick video on basically riding as a passenger. So the pointers are: one, be one with the rider, basically. So you close your legs, right? Your leg them are go basically squeeze the rider's hip, right? Don't be too far back on the bike. The further back you are on the bike, the more unbalanced the bike will be. So I know say a lot of guys have this phobia of being too close to a man. Now on a bike that don't exist, right? You want to be as close to the bike as possible, of course, not rubbing up your genitalia on the rider because that would be not good. But yeah, you want to be as close to the rider as comfortably close as you can be, and you want to close your legs. Yeah, as we said, your legs are going to squeeze the rider's hips. Doing that gives you more stability on the bike, and it helps to unite you and the rider on the bike as well. you also want to be flexible.
What?
What I mean by flexible, if the rider dashes right, your body is going to move along with the rider. Because if the rider dashes right and you stay stiff, then the bike I go actually, it's like the bike I get double commands. You know, it's like the bike I say, alright, me I go right, but no, me need to stay upright. Understand? So, yeah. Also as a passenger, don't really look back too much. That also unbalances the bike. You know, when you turn your head back like this, not even your head but your whole body, right? If you turn your head back like this, it's not so bad, you know, but you want to keep that legs, you want to keep your legs locked and, you know, everything like that. So here in Jamaica, as we said, when you have a male pillion on the bike, we're basically a homophobic nation. So or should I say, I as a male rider, I really don't tolerate a man holding on to my waist, none at all. So there are two options for the passenger, two things to hold on to. If the bike has a carrier or something on the back that they can hold on to, put your hand there. Otherwise, you lap, or should I say, yeah, we call it lap, where you lap the rider and you squeeze with your legs. You don't want to squeeze so much that, you know, you go stop them blood circulation, but you want to give it a nice firm squeeze, you know, for get better stability for yourself. Yeah. And also, if you need to adjust your body, like if you need to go back more or go forward more, wait until the bike is straight. You know, don't adjust yourself, don't do any movement, any sort of unnecessary movement when the bike is you know, turning or anything like that. Being a passenger is actually very, very soothing, because you don't have to manipulate the controls, you don't have to manipulate the brakes, you don't have to think, basically, you know. All you need to do is look and lean and squeeze with your legs. Woo. Oh yeah, and also some passengers may want to help the rider with like navigating. Like if the rider is about to change, if the rider wants to change lane, you'll want to look back and say, yeah man, come in another lane there. I would recommend not really doing that, you know, because at the end of the day, the rider have the control. So even if you look back and you say all is green, the rider might still not change lane, because the decision is actually up to them, final decision. So as we say, best thing, just sit back. Some riders actually don't have no problem with you helping them navigate and stuff like that, and you know, they will let you know. Why the bike can hurt me hips, because the passenger foot pegs are high up. Yeah, these foot pegs are for girls, yo, like to make the girl them cock up on them things. Them are not for man. They high up, dog. Yes sir. Woo. Yeah. And this bike that we're on, Virgin actually, he asked me if I wanted to, you know, take a ride or ride a bike come home, and I was like, nah. Yeah, squeeze with the legs and adjust yourself. stretch out my foot. Jano star. Eh? What? Me didn't even see. Load seed. Brother, you need to go easy with that backside back brake. The back brake a slam me. The back brake a fling me in your back. What? That is true. Me not wrong them. Save yourself. Eh? Yeah, brother. And me have to hold myself from trying to drop in your back, you know. Yeah, man, this brother put on a double caliper on him back brake. So I know like the back brake the grabs that. Grab your friend. That you never pass where we done so? Oh. Okay.